Oh, I should do a stream announcement thing. Hold on. Stream notifications. 29. Test is out. Interesting. Feedback and updates. Come say hi. YouTube. Open. What if you made the... Give me a minute. Yeah, what if you made the song for the Worm boss fight on stream instead of... Yeah. You can't. I know. I know you can't. What if you did it in Baska Sjol again? What? But that's where the big song come from. It was. I looked at that project. That shit is fucking shit ass. Okay. Yeah. All right. What was your question about Dante 9 Kitty Cat? Yep. So those are the... Yeah, you just gotta... I put them all as the Cali one because that's just the one that I had on hand whenever I was doing it. I turned Dante Falling Sprite into a Cali, and it went okay, but, I mean, you're the art person, so... Yeah. So, hello for people who have been playing the playtest, if any of you guys were here and hanging out. I need to turn on the shared chat. We have a couple of updates that will be going out likely tomorrow, probably. We need to balance one of the things, but basically, what is that? Oh, that's funny. I can see the seed window whenever it's not actually shown. Like I can click on it and interact with it. So the first thing is, actually, I'll just start the game. We are attempting a new system with the way that the cards will be working a little bit. So previously, whenever you equip the card, it would not cost mana, and then whenever you attacked with it, it would cost mana for each usage. But now we're going to be looking at making it so you pay the mana cost up front, and then actually using the card is free while it's in your hand. I think we talked about that last time. I believe, yeah, because there was someone in chat that was like giving suggestions for certain things about it. I don't remember the exact, but so one thing that I did do, which will come to the relief of a lot of you, is the Salmon Storm has been optimized a little bit. So if I press Q, it'll spawn 100 salmon that would normally be from Salmon Storm. And it's quite loud. This is already more salmon than you would... Oh, am I not? Oh, I'm not. Oops, I forgot. So normally, Salmon Storm spawns, I think, like 60 to 70 salmon, something like that, maybe? No, I don't know. 60 to 70, 6, 7? Yeah. Somewhere around like 60 salmon. So this is already about the amount that you would see from a Salmon Storm. But I just kind of like, I was playing around with it. And if I go ahead and take a look at this, I have a monitor that shows me how many salmon are currently in the game and then what my FPS is. So if I go ahead and just like spawn like 500 of them, and then I stay tabbed into the game, we'll let this sit for a moment. It's running not amazing. I mean, 50 FPS is not great, but like I'm streaming, it's 500 salmon. That's way more than you're going to be getting. And there's a couple things we're going to look at for optimizing. Another big thing that was changed was before, if you killed a dummy, or if you killed any enemy, it like plays a sound. And if you were to kill a bunch of enemies all at the same time in the same frame, it would normally stack that sound and make it really, really loud. That is no longer the case. So it will only play up to a maximum. It might be 2 sounds. I actually can't tell if it's 1 or 2. But We only have it so you can play a certain number of sounds per frame from a specific sound source. And then okay, yeah, it is one, so this should be a couple of them now. So my sword, mana, charges. Yeah, so if I were to change this to like 10, this is gonna get really loud. So I'm actually gonna turn the audio down. But it kind of stacks up a decent bit. There's also now a compressor on things. So whenever something like we have a line of dummies and we use the explosion relic, that compresses. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if the attack is off on that, actually. I'm hearing it, like, kick in, but, like, late. Let me see. So it's under Audio Manager. Audio effects. This one. That's the lowest that goes. And if I were to turn this up. Nah. I don't like that. Yeah. That's not. That's funny, but whatever. That sounds really interesting. What the fuck? You should turn on my audio. Let me know when you're... So here's the normal. And listen to this. You can hear a lot of, like, the debris sound afterwards. It's because it's compressing it, and that's the only sound that's still playing, yeah. Yeah, I wonder if I were to turn this up. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe. Might be worth. So no, it's only playing 2 sounds maximum. Like at all. If they're all triggering at the same time, like it should only be playing the one. Let me make sure. Where is the explosion going? Or actually, you know what I can do? I can see how many of the things are playing. 4 IN players, or 4 player in frame. No, spatial stream. Spatial stream players. Thank you. Damn, evil. Oh, that's gonna play it. That's gonna do it every single fucking frame, isn't it? Oh, I know what I can do. I can do var count 0. Count plus equals 1. Console not print. Count. So it's 0. I don't know. I guess all of them are going off. That's weird. I don't know what fucking sounds are playing because it should only be. It should be preventing it. Unless they're going off randomly. It is, but I don't know why it shouldn't be. Yeah, because all of these are guarded by a check for can play How... I'm assuming this is getting called through, like, the explosion thing, right? This one? Okay, yeah, so all of those are calling that. What? Why not? Okay, dude. Yeah, no, whatever, man. Sorry, where are these being fucking called from? Let me... Is there... Damn, bro. That's a funny looking print. Let me spawn a bunch of these big heads in. Dummies. Give me this and swad. Okay, what did that say for the one frame that it was on screen? Oh, oops, I'm doing something stupid. Many such cases, actually. Hmm? Oh shit, dude. He's got a bow. He got a little bow tie. It's kind of fire. What the hell? Why did I just clear the console, dude? I'm stupid. Alright, you. What you got going on, man? I don't understand how any of these got past this. Oh wait, no, that makes sense enough. I think I can do stream.resource path, and I think that'll give me where it's from. Oh shit. An object of type nil? Who the fuck are you? You? Oh, if not deaths, or if death sound, you need to be wrapped in that anyways. That's fucked up and evil. Oh, I also got rid of a bug that I think that you might be a little sad about, but whatever. Whenever he's falling on the ground in Ragdoll, he no longer makes the walking sound. Okay. Why did this... In what world? In what world? You're the same fucking sound, are you not? He likes to see Uni die. That's fucking evil. You're evil. Thanks. How? Whatever, I don't care enough to fix it. I'll worry about it another time if it becomes an issue, but it sounds kind of cool, so whatever. I've got more important things that I want to take care of anyways. Like, making the fucking settings menu more good. I'm very tired of this settings menu. Yeah. It's mainly just the fact that the UI is what determines, like, the UI is so ingrained in, like, the, like, changing of the settings. It's like, you don't just, like, update your setting and then, like, tell the game, like, hey, re-render these, or, like, rerun these settings. You just, like, update a box and then it's like, okay, time to reapply every graphics setting at all. So I think I might move the... Don't lie. We're not friends with Sony, so no, of course not. No. Let's see. So what I can do, and what I'm thinking I might do, is I think that the video settings, or like the settings, should just be a standalone thing. The config file can maybe be written to, but I think about this. So like I would probably have something like here, assets, source, render. What does? Yeah, he's a little guy, little fella. Hello, Bond. Yeah, if you have to change it, you can just save, and then if you tab into the Godot engine, it'll redo it. Let's see. Chemical bonds be like? I fucking love chemical bonds. I'd be making oxides and shit. You have to tab into Godot. Yeah, into Godot. And then it'll be like re-importing. Let's make a new folder called settings. And then video settings. Video settings. And God, what is the other one? So just, yes. Yes, we do. As much as possible. It's because you're streaming. So it just like, Windows isn't happy about that sometimes, I'll be honest. Mine also does that. I mean, if you were to uncap your frame rate, or like up your frame rate cap to like 80, does it drop down below 60 at all? Oh, we don't have an... Oh, shit. We don't have an entry menu for that. Oopsies. Sorry. Whatever. Why did I get rid of it? Tell me how to fucking type on a controller. Yeah, probably. If you turn on VSync, it might work a little bit better. Just because, like, that tries to sync it up with your monitor's, like, blinking periods. That's not a thing on monitors anymore, but whatever. So we're not stuck with that name. Let's see. Video settings. So... how do I want to port this over? Let's just close everything that isn't relevant to the current what I'm doing. Oh yeah. You stopped stuff at one point just to learn how to do delta timing. No, you just add the curse skill and then like have an enemy shoot you. Remember, you can hold shift and scroll. Okay, alright, my fault. You're right. You should just click the button 11 times instead of just holding shift and scrolling up a little bit. Or else it shows the slowest enemy in the fucking world. Yeah, the ground enemy fire is your fastest one. Yeah, because it's in... Oh, gosh. So all of this shit... Oh my god, there's so much shit in here. Whoa. Probably. I'm thinking about splitting up the video settings for full screen stuff. Because I don't know if it's particularly an important thing for you to be able to set your resolution when you're in windowed mode. Because you can just resize the window. Thoughts? Do you think resolution should only be a thing that you can set whenever you're in full screen? Actually, does resolution do anything in full screen? No. Resolution's actually just disabled when you're in full screen. Maybe we just get rid of resolution. Yeah, especially because Godot can't do exclusive full screen in the way that, yeah. Yeah, I think I just get rid of the resolution thing, honestly. And just have like a window drop down for like... Yeah. Okay. So do we want a full screen mode? Does Godot support exclusive full screen again? I don't remember. I know that we have a maximize in full screen, but does this actually... There is full screen. Okay. Let me just... Here, how about this? I'm gonna do... Or no, we have full screen mode, actually. I'll just fucking use that. Duh. It's literally built into the engine. Set... Full screen mode. Void. Fuck, now I actually need to think about how I want to set this up. I'm pissed. I think I would just do set full screen mode, display tell the config file handler to write save video setting full screen mode. Let's go into mode usually right now. Mode. It was literally just there. Where are you? I'm back. Oh, it is just called mode. Is this like part of the class? It is. Window. Sick. I don't know what that's gonna do. I don't know if that's gonna serialize correctly. Whatever, I'll figure it out. So this will set the full screen mode, and then we'll say get window dot. What? Oh, because you're not a node. I really don't want this to be an auto load, to be honest with you. I don't know if Dante's 9 is ever going to be a multi-window game. I shouldn't, like, think about it like that. I should just fucking say, like, yo, dog, you've got a window. Congratulations. They are like an orange-ish. Like a yellow-orange. Have I ever done anything with 3D yet? Unfortunately, yeah. Just a little bit. I'm not a huge fan of working in 3D, to be honest with you. Because there's just a lot. There's a lot of ideas that I feel like can still be done in 2D. And a lot of things do just tend to be easier in 2D. Although there are a lot of things that are easier in 3D, like different skins. Because once you have like the mesh and the skeleton, you can just like replace the mesh, and then hopefully the skeleton probably works. So if I set this mode, let's try this for now. And then instead of settings here, you would get rid of resolution probably in a second. This would now be a drop down. Yeah. That's a terrible function name. We're not doing that. I fucking hate terrible function names around here. What are you talking about? Oh, it's the option button, right? Yeah. Yeah, like this does so much. So much. Okay. My phone just went off. I'm sure it's something important. Sure it's not just like a Twitch notification for someone I followed like a gajillion years ago. Oh no, just kidding. It's Twitch telling me, yo dog, you can control your stream from your phone, as if I haven't been streaming for like 30 minutes already. Yeah, for sure, dude. Give me 2 seconds and I'll take a look. This is just full screen. Is this used anywhere? It's here. Okay, sorry, what? Whoa, improved Cali. Sick. Did you know that calico cats have way more lightness on their stomach because of how the color is spread out? Or actually, most cats in general, they tend to have white bellies because that's like kind of where their genetics or whatever just ran out of color. He didn't know that. Hybrid games exist too, 3D on an otherwise 2D scene, or the other way around. I mean, 2D on a 3D scene is sometimes cool, unless it has 18,000 different layers of post-processing that makes it look like shit. Octopath Traveler. What? Octopath Traveler, what? No. No, dude. HD2D is so fucking ugly. I hate it so much. It's pretty bad. Why is this? Why do we have it here? Yeah, yes, sir. Why is this not? There we go. Cool. So I think I can do video settings dot set full screen mode. Full screen. No, full screen options. We playing it this weekend? Nice. There will likely be an update before then, hopefully. Oh shit, you're upset. Non-existent function get tree in base tree. Oh, because this returns a tree, a scene tree, right? Yeah. Okay. Weird. Please. Var tree engine dot get main loop. But this will be a scene tree. There we go. I think that should work, hopefully. What? Invalid assigner property with value of type int on base of type null instance. What? But? Oh, I guess you just don't. You don't know about that. Okay, I don't like doing this, but I will make this an auto load for now because I don't feel like fixing it. Might not be. Delight. So perfect. Mm-hmm. Huh. I don't think I've used the alpha compositing brush, so I don't even know what the fuck that does. Oh, weird. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. I have no idea what he's talking about. He's talking about color shit. Okay, let me write down. Oh, actually, you know what? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write down the settings that we currently have, and I'm going to write down which ones I would like to bring over and how they're going to be. So we definitely want quality. We want full screen mode. We definitely want VC. And we want max FPS. As well as that, do any of these I can... Do these get affected, I wonder? Should I... I'll leave these for now. I just want to move the video settings over because they're pissing me off to no end. TSPMO FR Hong. This loads the whole ass file. Damn. Damn. Okay, do I now have a thing in my user folder called full screen mode? You're cool. Okay, so actually new question. Soda print setting mode 2 mode. Oh. What? Config dot. Let's return that out. Can I have you do that, buddy? Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot to put the handler at the end of that. Oopsies. Okay, sick. So that does work. Not that I need it to, but hmm. Hmm. I want to make this so that I have getters and setters for everything. Do I just want like a fucking thing that does it for me? Like a... I'll probably just have getters and setters. Who cares? I'd be writing Java and shit. Oh, wait. Yippee. Good luck. I'm just rewriting some boringish code, so... Here. wait, I think I could just do this, right? Like, grab all of these, toss that there. Except instead of save, it says load, right? Oh, sorry, instead of load, it's git. I think this should do it. Oh, sorry, I saw a message over in GW's chat. Let me check what that was. Oh, just kidding. I can't use anything on my... Oh, I can't interact with my taskbar. Sick. That's actually really cool. Whatever's doing that on Windows makes me really happy. Is it because I'm uncapped Dante's 9? It might be. I think it was, yeah. Forget games, YouTube channel. Happy Thursday, Godot and average Godot enjoyer. How you doing? JW's AFK right now, so he's dead, I think. There he is. Okay, here we go. So, I need to load in this as well. Welcome back. Sorry, I died of coughing. It's actually true as fuck. This, and I will say 1%. FPS. I actually think I like this like a lot more than what it was before. No, dude, you don't understand. That is crazy. What's up? Window.vsync. No, how the fuck do you set vsync? How are we setting vsync? Ew. Oh my lord, dude. You need to be like put down, I think. What? Allegedly. I'd imagine they would ping me though. Yeah, surely. Nah, he's cool. I'm sure he will. I don't think the skins are saved between runs, but I'll enable that. Yeah. Yeah, I'll turn it on. Oh, sorry. I didn't read your last message. JW did, but I see you had the thing. I'm trying to work on a little bigger project, and so far people tend to disagree with my approach to making it. I'm quite slow at it at the moment because it's quite an important one to me, and you just want to do it justice, you know? Yeah, I get that. I kind of felt that way with a project I was working on a while back where I was just like not making a ton of progress, but I was like, I really want to set this up for as much success as possible. And then I dropped it to work on Dante's 9 instead, kind of ish. That's true, actually. Yeah. This is true. I just have async mode. Oh my god, what am I doing? Yeah, that's good. Good. That works. That's fine. And then inside of settings, instead of all of this shit. Whoa. How the fuck are you like so much wider than me? Whenever I feel like that just shouldn't even be a thing that's possible. White. No, you are whiter than me. I got the sparkling water. I've got some sparkling water. I've got this orange sparkling water. Shut up. Don't be talking about Coke Zero. You know that entangles your tau proteins in your brain. Yes. Oh, you did? Oh, that's funny. God, I hate this function. There's a point where I'm just gonna be like, yeah, for the dome or whatever. It looks like a shield, yeah. Are we changing this? Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm like stupid as fuck. This should be. Oh no, this is right. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I'm literally already calling that done here. Do I just like gut this file? Anything that calls like apply video settings, so I just kill it? I think I will actually. Well, not everything, but like most things. Probably like this will be a video settings vsync. Set vsync, and then whatever this fucking thing is set to. And then you won't have to do any of that. Apply video settings. Max FPS can just be video settings dot max FPS to FPS. And that's it. Or no, sorry, set. And then you can be fine. What the fuck are you? Oh yeah, I remember this. I think I just killed this probably. Yeah, I think I just kill this. We don't have to do anything like that. You don't exist anymore. Yeah, you don't exist anymore either. Neither do you. Actually, you do, but we'll worry about you later. Screen share check. Hi. Video on quality. We'll do settings. Video quality or set video quality. And then I don't know this. Wait, what? Where are you going before? Oh, that's what you did, you bitch. I see. Might be something I feel like listening to. Close enough. Oh, it looks fine, yeah. Not gonna match. Oh, my neighbor just. Oh, that's so fucking sad. I wish they asked me that before. They said, "Would you want to come up and watch the Game Awards with us? We're making bingo cards." Fuck, dude, I'm not a chance. No. No, I don't want to do that. Yo, can I come show this to my fucking... There's a couple people in chat every now and then. Yeah, there's a couple people in chat every now and then. Let's see, resolutions. Here's not a thing. You're dead. You're dead. Probably. 7 seconds, what? What is the fucking... Where do we want... Oh, I'm just gonna fucking pull up Germa's stream. Whatever. That's like way more important than like anyone else's. Here's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna... Hold on, let me see if I can set this up so that I can hear it, but chat can't, so that it doesn't go through... Where's this? This is on...
We're coming to you live from the Peacock Theater in Los Angeles to celebrate the year in games.
Okay, the chat is definitely hearing that. Hold on, I'm sorry, guys.
Orchestra and Evanescence. Surprise!
I'm so glad I don't have to worry about opening up the sound mixer in Windows because it's not going to show my full fucking name. Can I send this to... Where can I send this? Out 3, mayhaps? Now I can't hear it. Oh. Let's go. There we go. Okay, I think chat can't hear it now, which is sick, but I can. Let me know if you guys can hear it, please, because I don't like to hear the fucking Game Awards. So I'm sure it's gonna be like not fun. My ears are like trained to hear like a couple of words, like half and life. It's probably not. Facing button press. What the fuck am I doing here? Oh yeah, I do actually. Half-Life 2 or something was announced at the Game Awards. Okay, so the resolutions are gone completely, right? They're like killing those completely, just 100%. Okay. I can't think of anything that would need a resolution selector. But like, I don't fucking know. Resolution's gone completely. This shouldn't matter anymore. Videos. Oh wait. I don't know if any of... Actually, I don't know if apply video settings should do any of this shit, right? Screen shake, quality selected should no longer do this. So this should no longer deal with that. This is fine. Quality options, drop down clear, sure. So I think ideally this should only be for setting up the drop downs. And then this shit should actually like handle the actual changes. So under video settings now, this will set up the video quality settings stuff. So I don't need that anymore. I will not need this anymore. Video quality. Why the fuck would I ever make a function like this instead of just putting all of this inside of adjust quality? Okay, cool. This will almost certainly crash, but I guess this is a great way to find out what needs to be fixed first. Sick. Oh, that'd be crazy, dude. What if he did that? Which game was it? Was it the one with a bunch of lights on it? Yeah, it was kind of like hard to read at all. This will be Dante's 9 in 2026. Maybe we should up the glow, actually. Don't think so? Why not? What? Bloom goes crazy. I've never heard of any of these games. I mean, obviously, like FIFA and Assassin's Creed. I've never heard of the actual games in the series. Crazy. It really is kind of true that, like, as you get older, you just kind of stop caring about AAA games. You're like, man, these kind of fucking suck. Well, yeah, I guess it's like, yeah, they kind of do suck. AAA games do kind of just suck. I'd rather be playing like fucking anything else. Nope. Nope. What? Okay, there we go. So that works kind of again. Windowed doesn't. Does anyone know how you can set something in Godot to be windowed minus like minus the decorations? Because whenever I set it to windowed, because it's still the same fucking resolution. Oh, never mind. I know what I can do. I can do settings, GP, screen, view, mode, window, mode maximize is what I want, I think. Yeah, there's a get size with decorations, but I mean like set size, ignore decorations or some shit. That's not Half-Life 3, fuck off. You know that's not. I gotta hit you for that one. Next time I see you, I'm pulling a Riot CFO and I'm fucking farting in your face and giving you a ball tap. Yeah, you know about that? Yeah, the fucking Riot CFO was let go because of fraternity behavior as a fucking corporation. Riot has done like one really good thing though. They gave back Hightail. That's pretty cool. Oh. What? I turned on VSync and it set my fucking frame rate to 60? That's weird. It's just weird. My VSync or my frame rate should be like 144. It's just weird. I'm getting so violent from coding on Dante's 9. This is true. This game is like kind of killing me. I hate this shit. I hate this fucking place. Someone please get me away from this fucking project. He doesn't want me to tell you this, but he's actually like holding me hostage somehow. Best esports game: Counter-Strike 2, Dota 2, League of Legends, Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, or Valorant? Counter-Strike 2? What the fuck? That's crazy that one. I mean, it's cool, but it's just weird. I didn't expect it to win. Who the fuck are... Oh, I know Chovy. Actually, just kidding. Okay. So I need to make this actually populate the options on startup, because if I go back to the main menu, this doesn't actually have the correct options. So let's do this. Probably not, but I'd maybe like keep it a little, like use it as inspiration. Don't like. Yeah. Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, just make it look exactly the same. Let's see. So that should set up those two buttons. I need to actually have the desync and max frame rate buttons mapped as well. Although I guess you're doing that, aren't you? No, actually, you shouldn't be doing that at all. I wonder how many pre-order start today type of shit do you think we're gonna see on this? We should announce Dante's 9 pre-orders, I think. Let's see. Oh, I can get rid of these fucking resolutions now. The way that she's pronouncing Uma Musume is pissing me off. She keeps saying Mama Same. My dog getting it. Otter's saying my music sucks, by the way. Ask Otter whether he thinks fuck, what's the oh my god, what was the song I was just shitting on? The fucking Kanye song that sounds like it'd be really good until he starts until Kanye gets featured on his own song. Fuck, what is it? And I wonder that one. Wonder. Is it called And I Wonder or just Wonder? Oh yeah. Yeah, that song. That song would be so good if like it wasn't featuring Kanye on a Kanye song. Or like if they gave it I don't know, man. Let's see. These shouldn't actually be. Yeah. I know what's going on here. Oh, let me pull up your stream. Sorry, you're currently being overshadowed by Game Awards right now. Whoa, that's a little dispenser. That's cute. Let's see. These don't. Maybe these get populated correctly. Why? Am I like stupid? Why the fuck aren't these set up? Oh, because I put this right below the thing that said return. Yay. Okay. Nope. Okay, now if I close the game and reopen it, does it... Okay, well that didn't adjust the full screen correctly. It also didn't save it. Terrific. Let's see. Wow, looking at the list of indie games versus the list of AAA games, and like a lot of the indie game ones are really good. Oh, that's like one of the two choices I wish didn't win. Yeah, just watch Germa. Yeah, just watch Germa, dog. This isn't being applied. Videos, settings. Oh, you know what? It's probably this. If this isn't ready, then I would like to await config file handler settings are ready. And then we would like to just continue on with this. I need you to actually not do any of this if I can cares about any of that anymore. Okay, does this save? I set quality to normal and then full screen to windowed. Close the game and reopen it. Does it? I don't know. What? What's up? Oh. Okay. This kind of stuff. Oh shit, yeah. Oh, they got a game for you, JW. Why not use AI editor? Because I'm better than that. Like a lot better than that. I'd rather not use an AI editor. JW, do you think I should go through with the poll that I talked about on my server? Like, I definitely just should, right? Okay, I might maybe whenever I put the announcement for Dante's 9, I'll also do a community poll that's like that does the AI question. Okay, so this is not grabbing. Oh, you know what? It's probably not actually saving it, right? If I were to go to config file handler. You would say that. You would, wouldn't you? Oh, well, well. I'll just wait for a second. It's about to get even weirder. There's... And it just happens to be a furry game, yeah. Right, the badger. Oh, is this like a Borderlands or? No, definitely not. I don't understand why people still make games with humans. Just make them furries. Yeah, if you want to make money, that's kind of what you do, yeah. It's probably your computer. You're watching a stream and... Yeah. Except this would be set. This is a little gross, but this should work, hopefully. Okay, so if I save this, please, for the love of God, tell me this will save. Does this save to my disk? No, it didn't. Why not? Does config file not save automatically? Or, oh, I see. Oopsies, I'm not calling the save video settings function. Big fan of gameplay trailers instead of animation trailers. Dude, the only... Yeah, honestly, the Game Awards kind of boils down to, here's a trailer for a game, and then they cut back to the person talking. They announce, like, oh, an award or two, and then it just shows another trailer, and it's like, excuse me. Anytime that there's, like, the person on screen talking, I'm just like, whatever, dude. I'm gonna look elsewhere and do anything else. I'm like, I'm here for trailers. I don't really care about... I'm sorry. Oh, nice. Might you know... What? What's she asking? Mm-hmm. Okay. Hide the collision shape, could you? Okay. Could you pause the game? And then go to the remote tab. Yeah, find the soul projector inside the... It should just be in the start room. And then take a look at the sprite. Yeah, is it assigning that sprite anywhere then? Where did you change it? Sorry. Oh, you have a thing in the exported, in the soul projector export. There's a texture. Why is that there? That's weird. I wonder why that's there. Actually, I have no idea. Oh, I see. It could have just grabbed that from the sprite though. It could have just done like sprite dot. Okay. Probably not. But it's something cool else. Why not? Oh my god, is that moist critical? It's not. I'm sorry. Hmm? Yeah. As long as it doesn't look like you're getting shocked, then yeah. I think so, yeah. I think the particles going out is a little weird. Maybe the particles should just spawn in like a circle and then like kind of float up a little bit. Because it going outwards feels like it's pushing away. Someone said Australia microphone. Because their microphones are gold. Australians and TF2 are the gold weapons. Mm-hmm. Bro's got fucking snapback on his scroll wheel. That's crazy. What am I doing? What am I doing, dude? My brain not working right now. I'll be honest with you. Okay. Also, hello, Jeff Bezos. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa Wagwan. Mina Schleim. Hmm. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Sorry. That's... Yeah, no, correct. This should be values. Oh, I would like to make a very potentially sad announcement about the Dante's Design playtest. The progress of the game, or the productivity of the playtest, is going to go down. Like just 100%. Did you notice what got announced today? Nope. Okay. So the first two things is like, first off, Dante's Design playtest is going to be less productive, and the second thing is you probably aren't going to be talking to Lukaiza or me much. Zomboid at multiplayer. Nope, it is not that. It is gonna be because I'm gonna be playing fucking Zomboid multiplayer because the Unstable branch just released it. It's actually crazy because Lukaiza and I tried a mod. Didn't work that well. It has not... The Unstable version has been out for a year, and it didn't look like they were going to release multiplayer at any point in the next 2. And so we were like, whatever. I was like, I can just introduce Lukaiza to the game. Surely they're not going to introduce multiplayer anytime soon. And then the second that he finishes playing his fucking game, that shit just... Dude, what if we use the enemy indicators with that and we made them like blend together? Oh. Oh. It'll need updates. Yeah. It'll need an update because of currently if you add another attack indicator, it'll just add it under the same one, but it should be possible to have multiple instances that you add it to. Oh my flip, I'm so flipping excited. You got tickets to the AOT live concert. I'm assuming you mean Attack on Titan? Or is there a different AOT that I'm not aware of? I'm assuming it is Attack on Titan. Like probably like a Attack on Titan. Okay, yeah. Attack on Titan. What? That's exciting though. Oh wait, where is track Gabe Newell's yacht? Is anyone tracking it right now? Uh-huh. Someone was tracking his yacht and it was on the way to the Game Awards last year, but it didn't actually. There was no announcement, obviously. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so these stayed. This didn't stay. Oh, this didn't populate either. Yay! Yay! That didn't work. What? What the hell, Mina Slimes? Oh shit, and my frame rate's set to unlimited apparently because everything is lagging on my computer. Dope. You like the main menu? Thanks. There's a couple things that we want to do to change it, to fix it. But you gotta go now. Hope the rest of your stream goes great. Me too. Just doing some cleanup on some of the menus. And then we're gonna put out an update for the playtest in a little bit. Yeah, I also think we should do mana balancing at some point. Oh, like a appendix or whatever. Yeah. Fuck. Sorry, I just refreshed my fucking stream and now I have to watch a fucking Lunchables ad. Okay, so this one's correct. This one looks right. And then if I start game, this one isn't. What the fuck? Why? I don't understand how you couldn't be correct. Shouldn't. Probably like AAA people are paying to have their company, because like their employees go. Mainly. It's ready. This is emitted here. Oh, I know something's going on here. That's a problem. This needs to be way higher in the fucking list, like as high as possible, basically. Well, not the highest actually, because config file needs to be before it, or else it's gonna be pissy. Right? Are we gonna crash? No? What? We just work? What the fuck? That just fixed things? Okay, just kidding. I'm a fucking dumbass, apparently. Weird. Hey. Get up off there. Does this not save quality? Quality is 1, which is not... Yeah, sure, dude. That sounds right to me. And if I restart the game, does this still stay at 1, or does it go back to 0? So it says hi. Change that to that. Am I like stupid and dumb? Apparently. Oh, it's called video quality. What's a relic? Set video quality. Video quality is quality. Save video settings. Video quality. Back. Oh wait, I'm not populating this button correctly, I think. I guess I can find that out. Let me set this to hella low so there's no shit in the background. So if I go in here... Oh, that doesn't work anymore. Oh yeah, I know why that's broken actually. This works, that doesn't. So if I set it to low, this is like pixelated. Correct. Ouch. Okay, so that just did an update. Beer. Oh, I have root beer. That's not a drink mug. No. You're the type of motherfucker to look over at, like, I don't know, a salad or some shit, and you'd be like, yeah, I've got fucking, I have baked kale chips. It's like, dog, that's, like, kind of an L. I don't understand how you're so much wider than I am. I really don't. Let's see your settings. Oh, sorry. Why did I fucking stop printing this? Reading quality. Oh my god, guys, it's a Star Wars game announced. Crazy. Quality is 0. Did it actually save as 0? It did save as 0. It resaved as 0. Why? yeah. I was just thinking that. I was like, man, I hope that he doesn't say anything. You don't have the audio on for the Game Awards, do you? Yeah, you don't, right? Good. It's some of the worst shit that I've ever heard in my entire life being said over there. Yeah, it's kind of... almost good. Why? I don't understand how you're loading 0. Where? Oh yeah, no, it's some shit. Hi. 67. You wanna this? Will this like show everything that the config file has? Is there a way to do that? Whatever. Sorry. Yeah. Wait, Jerma actually like kind of just cooked with that one. He said, "Do you think anyone's ever gonna get shoot zombies as a group of 4 people right ever again?" Left 4 Dead got it right, and then Back 4 Blood is meh. And Vermintide is meh. Darktide is meh. Why is this... Wait, am I like stupid? Why is this loading as video quality 0? I've got to be like hella stupid for this, right? Like, why is this not loading as the correct number? I'm literally asking this, yo dog, can you load the number 2? And it said 0. Oh, yep, still 0. Sick. Oh, is it because you're not... Wait. Where are you being called? Oh, I am stupid. I see what's going on. It's loading my full screen, which is then causing it to save the video settings. This should be called deferred. All of these should be called deferred. None of you are free of sin. What the fuck is happening on the Game Awards? What the hell? Okay, did that actually work? No. What the fuck am I looking at over there? What the fuck? It's a game from Larian. Okay. What a crazy fucking opening to that, though. LMOS cheese. Oh, it is a divinity. That's fucking crazy. That's actually like kind of exciting. Because what? Yeah, you don't know if it's a good game or not? Yeah, it hasn't come out. Nobody fucking does. Are you stupid? Like, they literally just announced a game, and JW is like, yeah, I don't know if that game's good. Yeah, nobody does. But there's a pretty good chance it is, because it's by Larian Studios. Those are the guys who made Baldur's Gate. Do you know anything about that? Also, this song's your jam. Yeah, no, this song is fucking sick. I'm a big fan of this, the credits of Mario 64. Big fan of like almost everything Mario 64, actually. Very good game. Yeah, Moaz, they just announced like Larian just made a game. It's just called Divinity. The fucking trailer on it on the Game Awards is insane. It's like hella crazy. What am I doing? I'm just like sitting here like flipping between files at this point, man. I don't know. I actually have never played a Divinity game, but Baldur's Gate was like turn-based-ish, but it was like not like turn-based in like the form of games that I hate, but like more like D&D, but like an actual game. I don't know if that one's gonna also be. I think Moaz would probably know more about that than I would. MOS Cheese. MOS Cheese is a good game. What kind of game? Based on the way that Moaz freaked out, I would say probably a good game. That's my guess. Although I don't know, Moaz has never really been known to like good games. Like you just got into like that political. Sorry, I read I don't even know where the fuck I read the word skin, I'll be honest, but apparently I did. And my brain was like, yo, check this one out, dog. We're gonna hit you with the old classic. Bitch. What just tried to get focus? I clicked somewhere on screen and it just was like, yo, dog, time to get upset or something. I don't know. Weird. That's off. Is that correct? VSync is not enabled. Sick. If I made this enabled now. Okay. Yeah. I didn't know it was like that, but yeah. Let's see. Yo, JW, they're talking about you right now. She said to every neurodivergent person. Mm-hmm. Video settings. Personal settings. Updated. I'll just do updated. We? What do you mean we? Why we? I didn't make that audio manager. I made my version of it. And then you set the default values to 0. Sorry. Oh my god, is that Gabe Newell? It's not. I'm sorry. He's right there. Dude, that's Gabe Newell. That's Gabe Newell. Do you even know what Gabe Newell looks like? Draw him right now. Oh no. This is about to be the worst thing ever. Let's get head? What? Duh? I'm not looking yet, so let me know when you're... Yeah. I said, do you know what he looks like? And you said, yeah. I did. Different times of him. That might be right. I can't wait to see this. I can't wait to see what you're about to. Oh, I can't wait to see what you're drawing. Fuck, I'm tired. Why am I so tired? I actually do have to go to bed somewhat early tonight because I had a. That's crazy. Why are we still printing things out? I told you to stop printing, you bastard. Are you sure? Oh, are you sure? Alright. Okay, so that quality stuff works now. Probably not. I said this hella low. Does this like actually work? Okay, are you done with your drawing? All right, let's see what you drew. Take a look. Wow. Yeah, no, that's. Yep. No, that's him. What? How long have you been muted? I can't get out of this now. What the fuck is that? What? What? Am I like going insane? Why does JW sound like that? What? Am I going insane? This is like JW sounds fucked up for you too, right? Like on my thing. Hello? Yeah. Are you still sharing your screen, by the way? Like on stream? Okay. What if I shared your screen on my stream? That'd be so funny and cool. Okay. All right. The setting stuff I think is good for now. No, you sound fine on my end now. Yeah, you were going fucking weird mode. I'll have to show you later. I literally muted my music and I was like, am I high right now or like what the fuck is
Oh, there
happening?
we go. It must have changed my input device.
How long
So
were
maybe
you
it got
muted on your
unplugged
stream?
for a second. Not that long. Moas, how long was I muted for?
That'd be pretty funny if Moas was just like, yeah, the entire fucking stream.
Okay, anyways, here's
Thought you were AFK the entire damn time.
Like, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. This is from memory.
Anyways.
Like, kind of long. Okay, that's okay. Nobody was watching my stream.
What should I prioritize right now in the game?
Anyways, what did we miss in the Game Awards? Anything interesting?
No.
Okay, cool. Who is this?
What do I prioritize
Who is what?
right now?
Oh, never mind. I lied. I have 13 concurrent viewers. There aren't people watching. Why do I have 13 concurrent viewers? Who is watching this?
Dude, they were all watching.
I'm
They were
literally
just
just
like, dude,
drawing Gabe
this one guy's
Newell.
just like yapping to himself. They're like, dude, this guy's like so good at talking to himself, and then they didn't
Yeah.
even. You were just like not actually talking.
I don't know why
to
I
them.
keep getting so many viewers. Like, I'm
I
not
just
doing
looked
anything
over Twitch.
interesting.
Someone in the Game Awards Twitch chat just said Pibby glitch, and like, I hate that.
Okay, now let's see if this works. As I'm testing the game. That's what I was going to do.
What am I doing in the game right now? What do I focus on? What are the issues, actually? Let me look at the issues.
There we go,
Look at
Biddy. It now has little particles and it has particles
Let me see.
and effects. I think I might even lower the opacity a little bit just so it's like very faint.
Yeah, it also looks very aggressive because it's like popping up really quickly.
Yeah. The issue with that is it doesn't follow the player's position after they move, so if it's too slow, it'll just like float in the air and look kind of weird. Let's see how it'd look if we just got like a bunch of them around. It's kind of fun.
Yeah. Dude, my brain is not working right now, and I don't know why.
It's awkward.
They're showing off a Playovers game thing, which is like, you know, like, oh my god, dude. Gotcha game, anime women, let's go.
The worst part is like the animation quality is actually kind of sick for like such a slop game.
Well, it's because they can afford it.
Yeah.
The money to get from it.
It looks very cool. It's probably boring.
Oh, I wanted to make it. Did we want to make it so that hearts had a chance of dropping, or not hearts? Sorry, card packs and sticker packs had a. Or how did we want to do that? Chance for multiple things to drop from chest? Question mark.
Yeah, I would.
it?
I'm thinking.
He's thinking.
Yeah, maybe have a chance for sticker packs to drop. I think card packs should be like the main thing. So like relics and card packs are the main things, and then sticker packs and hearts are like the secondary ones. Does that make sense, Twin?
Yeah, let me think for a moment.
Okay.
Did we also want to maybe playtest having it so that stickers were individually more powerful, but were like a limit of like 3 or some shit?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I think as they are, they're like not bad.
Yeah, it's the main thing is like there's not really a reason to put them on multiple cards like at all.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
It's just
all the
like-
stickers are just invisible.
Are all of them
Yeah.
invisible? Oh, I think I know what happened. I think I know what it is. Thankfully, I'm pretty sure it's an easy fix.
Also,
Oh shit.
can you even put
It's
this?
not an easy fix. Wait,
Am I just really unlucky?
huh?
I'm not getting the Jupiter sticker for the soul projector, which it can be applied. Double check
Wait.
the
Wait, the stickers are invisible?
Yep.
What the fuck? Why?
I don't know. It's a good
I don't
question.
either, apparently. Did you put them? You put them on a card, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Um.
Oh yeah, they are just invisible. What the fuck? What? What? Oh, this would be under menus.
Eyes upgrade sticker categories. Okay, you applied an area of effect, so I'm just really unlucky apparently. I opened like 5 packs and didn't get it. Let's try this again. I just wanted to test this out. See how it... Are you... Did you code this wrong or something? How many...
At this point, maybe, I don't know.
I'm not getting it. But like I think oh, there we go. I was just really unlucky apparently. Like really, really unlucky.
I don't understand. Where are the stickers at? Why are they not applying?
I don't know. It's a good question, Twin.
I actually don't know what I could have done to fuck them up, actually.
Okay,
I
here's
guess
how
let
it
me take a
looks
look.
with like a larger area. I think, yeah, the opacity should be a little bit less. Besides that, it looks pretty good. It looks a lot less like a shield.
Sorry, hold on. I need to figure out why the fuck these stickers aren't rendering. I actually have no idea. Like, let me go here in clip container. Add sticker. Sticker visual.
I thought I made the particles scale with the area. It doesn't look like they are. Well, I'll also turn down the volume on the regular sound. I added the popping sound, so when it gives you the mana, which fits pretty well. Oh, you might get still hurting a little bit. It's annoying.
Oh, it was some shit that I was doing. Okay, I understand what happened. I was trying to optimize the cards, and that just didn't end up working. It didn't end up doing anything, so I was just like, fuck it, I guess I didn't revert it, but...
Oh, also your stream stopped, by the way.
My what?
Your stream.
Oh yeah, because I rejoined the call because your
Oh, okay.
voice was fucked up.
We have many such cases.
I don't think it had anything to do with your mic though. Okay, yeah, I got the stickers working again. Oh, I wanted to try tooltip stuff again. Do I make a new tooltip scene and just like start from the fucking scratch? Because I might. I think that might be better for me. Although I did have an idea of what was going on. It was you.
Is that Half-Life 3?
Manager. No, are you? He is. Okay, so I was doing this, which I don't actually know where this goes. Apparently I'm stupid.
Apparently. I should start streaming game dev on TikTok.
Why's that?
I don't know.
Oh, because this isn't actually adding the tooltip. There we go. So this will now be broken. Yes. Cool. So those are up there.
Actually, I just realized that for some stickers, we could, like for example, for the soul projector, the activate delay is like not useful. But maybe what it could do is make the it trigger the effect like faster, so like it would be like every half second instead of like 1 second or whatever it is. So my sawed-off shotgun got down to 1 bullet, won't fire now. All the cards are blocked from being used. Not sure I accomplished this. Is the bar in the top left stuck at like a very small number? Because that's probably what the case is. Because there's a bug that theoretically is fixed now that we need to push up, but if that is, you can just restart, unfortunately, and it should fix. Yeah, it's at 5. Okay. Yeah, that should constantly be going up, but for some reason, it sometimes just breaks and stops. Also, hopefully you've figured out some of the mechanics a little bit. The tutorial is very bad. It's like 6 months old.
Why are these? Okay, maybe I don't remember what this was. I had like an epiphany while I was driving. And I was like, wait, I know what's wrong with the tooltips. And then I figured out that I don't, in fact, know what's wrong with the tooltips.
I like this little projector. It's definitely a lot better. Let's make this a little bit less.
Although I guess,
Wait, what's
you know
this?
what?
Oh, never mind. Exclaim. I wonder if they'll have any updates on what's it called? That like Terraria-like game. The like pixel perfect one. That I think they announced it at the Summer Games, whatever.
Yeah,
It looked really sick.
they announced it a little while back.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I don't remember what it was
that looks
called,
a lot
yeah.
better with the little bit less opacity.
Not Noida now.
Noida, it's like not, but
Noida.
it's like the same thing where it's like pixel simulated.
A little bit less, but like Noida.
Yeah,
Like Terraria,
it's
but
like
with, a little bit
Terraria
more
but
of
with
an open-
pixel-sized blocks. Time for dinner. I'll be back later. Take it easy. I don't know if we'll still be on, but have a good dinner.
I really don't know what I want to do with this.
Is this Half-Life 3?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is where it was. Whenever I do set tooltip, I want to first get rid of all of these or something.
This looks like Half-Life 3.
Are you stupid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite.
Okay, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing here.
Also with this,
I'm gonna put you on stream.
Oh.
Oh, what's up?
I don't have anything to do.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say this will make it easier, because then we could call it a soul dispenser instead of soul projector, which like makes a lot more sense. Because before,
Yeah,
like, kind of
that's
made
true.
sense, because it was like, it's like projecting a sphere. But like, this makes life
sphere
easier.
projection.
Yeah.
I'll be right back really quickly.
Okay.
You're on stream. Good luck.
Cool. You guys can stare at my beautiful drawing of Gabe Newell while I drink my seltzer. Oh, hey DG, how are you doing? I feel like my drawing of Gabe Newell, pretty good. It's entirely from memory, so let's work on and actually redraw where my cards at. I don't want a new file. But I just had them open, they should be in here. Open file. Is that it? What are you doing? Do you recommend trying Pico 8 before Godot? I have not tried Pico 8 before, so I do not know.
Well, I'm back. I also haven't tried Pico 8, but let me actually take a look at Pico 8 because I don't remember what scripting language it uses.
It uses Lua.
Does it? I would recommend Godot then. Oh yeah, it does use Lua. I'm personally not a fan of Lua. But do I recommend trying Pico 8 and before Godot? So Lua is like a simplified language already, and then I guess it kind of depends on like how you think about things. For me, Lua doesn't work because there's a lot of like manual stuff. Whereas like with a lot of other games, you can kind of make systems to do things. Whereas like Lua just, I really don't know how to describe it other than like there's less features, and so you end up doing more repetitive work, which isn't bad necessarily. But I definitely prefer like an actual programming language with
Wow, bro, like, saying Lua isn't an
defined
actual
structure.
programming language.
It's not. It's a scripting language.
It's the same thing.
But even like on top of that, it's like, I mean, GDScript isn't like a programming language, kind of. But it's structured in a very, very programming language way.
What's the difference? Am I like stupid?
So it kind of, one is vibes, but also like, programming languages typically, you make programs with them. So you write code and then you compile it, or you like it interacts with like things in like a more direct way.
Yeah.
Let me think of how to describe this. So whenever you write GDScript code, you are not writing code like in terms of like, this is not code that gets read by like a machine. You are using kind of keywords that will run C++ underneath it.
Okay.
So there's a C++ program running that interprets what the GDScript code like script is doing. And that will call other parts of C++ code to do things in a way that means that you don't have to write your C++ code. You can write GDScript, and the language, like the engine underneath, runs the instructions for you. But the actual program Godot underneath was written in C++, which is a programming language.
Yeah, I see.
But there's also there's scripting languages that feel like scripting languages. There's scripting languages that feel like programming languages. GDScript feels like a programming language, but is a scripting language. Python is very clearly a scripting language because it feels a lot more like commands. It's a lot closer to commands rather than like instructions.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Twin.
Let's see. JW, I need your expertise here. And by expertise, I mean that is nothing, but
Oh, okay.
I want your
What do you
opinion.
need? Yeah, twin.
So, you know how we wanted to have it so whenever you hover over a card, it'll show you like a second tooltip? So let's say that you were to move off of this card onto this card, and this card also had a second description. What do you think should happen to the first box? Or the second box of the thing? Because these kind of just like swap over. Let me hide the thing really quickly. UI manager sets for add tooltip view. So currently, this is what happens with one tooltip. So let's say that this one had a second tooltip that was just sitting like right here. And then it moved down to like this card that didn't and only had like the one. What should happen to this tooltip, do you think? Should it just disappear, or do you think it should like detach?
I think it should just disappear.
And then like shrink? It should just immediately disappear?
I mean, well, what does it do normally if you just unhover it?
I mean, if you unhover an element, it just like goes away like that.
Then I get it should just do that.
Okay. Because the only thing that would feel a little weird is because you've got like the tooltips on screen and then it teleports the new spot whenever you go between these.
Well,
but if you had,
maybe just stay
if you
up
had,
there.
so if you had two boxes here when you're hovered over this card, you've got these two boxes. If you were to move down, like, and then you only had the one box, so this box teleports.
Okay, then it should just instantly disappear because that'd be weird if it just like slowly disappeared while I was over there.
Okay, but if I were hovering on this card and I were to move my mouse off, they should both like shrink down to small.
Yeah, I mean, ideally, it would stay in that position and then shrink, and then create the new tooltip. But if that's too much work, sorry.
Well, I'm not asking. You said ideally. That's what I'm asking. I'm asking what do you think should happen?
Yeah, but that's a lot of work. I don't want to make you do a lot of work.
I'm asking what you think it should. Oh my god. I never do. I'm rewriting the tooltips regardless, so I want to know what you think they should.
Okay, then it should. The old tooltip.
So I'm hovering over this. We've got two boxes. We have two boxes.
Yes.
Okay. Box A and box B. This is the secondary tooltip. Cursor moves down to here. This box pops up and teleports. What does this box do?
It shouldn't teleport, then they should both fade out, and then the new one pops in.
Both like this one should also fade out?
Yeah.
Okay, so both of these should fade out.
They should both do the same
and then you hover
thing.
over.
Either they both fade out, or they both instantly disappear, and the other one moves down.
So, can you say that last part again?
They should either both disappear like they do currently, or they should both instantly disappear. They shouldn't do like two separate things. It shouldn't be that like one pops down and then the other one fades out. Like that'd be really weird.
Okay, new question. So I'm hovering this. I don't know why I undid that, but I'm hovering this. We've got two boxes right here. And the player moves their cursor over onto this card that's underneath here. What happens to this tooltip now? Should it still slowly disappear because it'll be blocking the card for, or not slowly disappear, but should it still like disappear over time?
Maybe, I don't know, it shouldn't. It definitely should.
Currently what we have to do that is we move side to side so it teleports out of the way. Always.
Then like, in that case, I would say that it should always disappear instantly unless it's being like unfocused. So if it's completely unfocused, it disappears. Like
so
there's
like
no
this.
Yeah, like that. but if
Okay,
it's
so
swapping
just
to
this
anything else,
behavior,
it
but
should
with
be
multiple.
instant. So even if there's 2 and then you go to 1, it should instantly disappear.
Okay, so the second box should just...
Yeah, but if there's 2 boxes and
Okay.
you unhover then anything, then it should fade. It could also just instantly disappear, but whatever you think.
Yeah, let me think. Let me think. Maybe I don't need to rewrite tooltips if I do that, actually. Let me see. I'll see if I can get this
probably
working
not.
with this, and then I have 2 boxes. You can just add more info onto the first one. Because we wanted boxes specifically for, like, certain keywords. Like,
Yeah, so, like, the main
if they're...
box is, like, the card itself, and then the other boxes are, like, additional things on the card, like stickers or other
Yeah.
things.
So, like, modifiers on top of it that don't necessarily belong to that card, but
Yeah.
are things that are currently being applied to that card.
Exactly.
Which, these tooltips are still, like... Honestly, they could probably be smaller still,
Yeah.
I think, right?
I think it's just... I honestly think it's the font, to be honest.
It definitely is. I mean, like, comparing it to this font size up here, like, this is readable as fuck, and this is, like, 1.5 times the size. I would just make them smaller, yeah. Sorry, what's going on in the Game Awards right now? Anything cool? Probably not. Not a lot of info, so it should just disappear. Yeah, probably. I'm trying to think of how I want to do this, though. Oh, I know what I can do. Kind of.
Kind of.
I can... Yeah. I got something I can do, I think.
You got something you can do, he thinks. Twins.
Where do I put this?
Wait, new control game.
What the
That's
fuck is
actually kind of
control?
cool. It's a game. That's good. It's kind of like SCP if it wasn't like lame.
I'll
You
just
know?
call this tooltip for now, but I need to change this as fuck because this is also a cool tooltip. I'll call this like tooltip UI. How about that? Something somewhere is gonna get really pissed about this. Do you know that this is called a tooltip class? Yeah, I guess you do. That's called tooltip UI. Dude, I'm looking at the Twitch chat for the Game Awards right now.
Mm-hmm.
Literally anytime he says anything about a game series that has already existed, everyone just puts in chat Half-Life. He said, "Get your quarters ready. An old 90s game is going to the big screen." And people said Half-Life
I mean, it was made in the 90s, right?
at the end of it, but it was also never played with quarters. I don't think there's ever been an arcade machine for Half-Life.
Well, maybe they meant that it's gonna be an arcade game. Clearly.
But yeah.
Arcade Half-Life.
Yep. So I think instead of doing add tooltip, what I can do is I can say func set tooltips, multiple tooltips, title string, string, mint, draws all. Oh, I'm not. Sorry, I'm doing this. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, I need this to be mapped to something. Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. I know what I can do. I got it. I'm good at tooltip info. Last name, tooltip info. And then you will have a tooltip inside of you, which will have all of the shit. Yeah, you want to play Rivals?
Right now? Not really, because my hand's got hurt.
Oh my god, dude, he's so evil.
Yeah.
Sup, Greg? Yo, what's good? It's like almost my name.
It's pretty close.
It's like close enough, honestly.
Yeah.
Gregvin. Here. A Half-Life arcade cabinet would be weird. You're so right. Yeah, I agree. 100%. But like,
I mean, it'd be kind of sick.
Would it happen? Maybe. Okay. So I need to map these. I think I know what I can do. I think I can do... something like this, where we have like our elements, and then for each of those, they have their own children, potentially. Would that work?
Biddy, does this look too much like the TF2 dispenser? Analytic.
Sorry, what?
Sorry, you're typing.
What's up?
Does this look too much like the TF2 dispenser?
That looks nothing like the TF2 dispenser, so you're good,
Okay,
man.
good.
That looks fucking nothing. Dude, that looks like the fucking... That looks like there would be some dude in, like, an 80s movie that is just like, this is my evil contraption, and then he'd fucking pull a lever and it'd fucking explode.
No, it's a Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
No, dude, it's got a face on it. Wait, there's a hidden Mickey. No, there's a face. Scroll, zoom out.
Yeah.
Dude, no. The fucking... The two, like, black dots are the eyes.
Yeah.
And then the
Okay, wait, you're gonna
he's
kill
got a
me
big
for
old
this.
nose, which is the square.
But no. With the eyes, and then for some reason this looks like the whatever it is, the little bug thing that you rescue in Hollow Knight, the little larva guys or whatever they are.
Maybe.
What are they called?
So I'm the face that I'm seeing two little beady eyes, and then the square at the bottom is like the nose, and then the mouth is like the black part at the bottom, and he's going like, hey, hello. See what I'm saying or no?
Wait, yeah. Yes.
Yeah, he's going hello. Dude, what an amazing drawing I just made. I traced over your shit. Check out
Grubs,
this
that's what they're
drawing.
called. That's what they're called, the grubs.
The grubs.
Yeah, I don't know why it like reminds me of the grubs from Hollow Knight.
I get it. It's kind of fire.
But I think this is good enough. It's like not amazing, but it works.
Probably is fine, yeah.
Guess what we're not doing?
What?
Changing the name of the card internally.
Why not?
Because
No, dude,
like,
no, it's so over. It's so over.
I'm literally just replacing the old art, actually.
No.
Yeah, I don't care.
Why is there a Lego Batman on screen? Why did I just turn back into fucking... Why did I look
Why
back
is there
and there's,
Lego Batman? Hello.
there's a Lego Batman on screen? What the fuck?
Who is playing a Lego game in the Big 25?
Lego Party looks like it'd actually be kind of fun.
Oh, that's true. I'm just thinking of like the generic slop Lego games that are literally the same thing, like copy pasted.
The generic slop Lego games that a lot of people remember fondly from their childhood.
Yeah, I do
Like
too.
Lego Star Wars.
They're just slop that's copy pasted.
Your childhood, dog. That you mean yesterday?
I mean, yeah, but like I can still enjoy it, okay?
The fucking Jean-Claude. What am I doing with this?
There we go, that looks nice.
Our tooltips is an array of tooltips.
What do we name it?
But these have... Oh my god, I've got your screen still on. Fuck me.
Rip.
So I'm thinking that this will be laid out horizontally before vertically. Probably. So I guess this would have like children tooltips. So if horizontal, so if this is a horizontal one, we're going to add it to the tooltip array. Otherwise, we will tooltips dot find column index.
There we go, baby.
Oh wait, no, why the
Look at
fuck would I
this.
ever do that? I could
got
just
the
do like
new dispenser.
column dot children dot end.
happy with that. Nice.
Yeah.
We got something done. Not sure if there's much else I want to get on.
Unfortunate.
What?
The vote that just went off.
Oh, I am like an hour behind.
It's okay. It's content creator of the year.
Far behind. Oh, how far behind am I? I'm just seeing best audio design right now.
Oh, you're like a minute behind.
That's crazy. Wait, who won?
Mine just came up as most anticipated game.
Oh, mine's still on content creator of the year. Let's go. Why are you sad? Best fighting game? Where's Rivals of Aether 2? The number of donations going off in the chat is like...
Yeah.
Terrible.
A little bit.
I refuse to believe these are real people.
There are people that just dump a crazy amount of money on like in Twitch chats and shit.
Yeah.
It's insane. Let's see. So
I don't think there's been a single very interesting thing yet. Oh, Marvel games. I'm instantly not interested.
dog, the Marvel commercial's over.
Shut up.
Dog, the Amazon commercial's over as well. The fucking next commercial after the one that you just started is already done.
Brother, where's Twitch?
Let's see. What am I doing? Is this Rust? There's a Rust. What the fuck?
Oh, hey, I can't see it away from me.
Oh, sorry. There's a Rust video. There's an ad for Rust. We should play Rust. Do you want Rust?
No, I don't want to play Rust.
What? You don't want Rust? Oh my god, it's true. You don't want Rust. What the fuck? That's evil.
What do you even do in Rust? Like, what is it?
You play it like it's a real life job. You have to play enough hours because if you go offline, you get rated.
That sounds really bad.
No, it's actually like really fun, to be honest. You usually don't like usually you don't play on like high pop servers where you actually have to be on for a long time. Usually
Does
you
it
just,
have
like,
gambling
for a day or so? Technically, like the whole fucking game's gambling. No.
No.
You gonna have a good time or are you not? 1 to 99 odds.
This Rust trailer looks a lot better than Rust gameplay that I've seen.
That Rust trailer, by the way, was for a mobile version.
Oh, so it probably looks even worse.
Let me think. I need to write things down.
Okay, there we go. I'm watching on Twitch now.
So, unhover.
The difference between new Twitch chat and YouTube chat is like insane because YouTube chat is just like people saying random stuff or like complaining, and then Twitch chat is just random emotes.
Yeah.
It's basically Borderlands. I don't think Rust is like Borderlands, but I haven't played either, so I wouldn't know. Biddy, what are you working on? Are you still working on the tooltips?
Okay. I'm attempting to, yeah.
Yeah, I just don't think I have really much else to do at the moment.
Yeah, I'm killing all of these functions.
That's pretty tough.
Because I'm fucking evil. I'm so fucking evil. All of these tooltips gone. Dead.
Maybe I'll just play some Rocket League on stream.
So for these tips, you either have a parent in the horizontal direction, or no, that's not entirely true.
Well, I guess I'll just put Biddy on screen and scroll Instagram.
My brain feels so
Reels.
stupid tonight, to be honest.
Yeah. Wait, just
I'm like
tonight?
sitting here, I'm like, yeah, just tonight.
Just tonight, okay.
Okay, I want to be able to pop up a tooltip box. How do I want to do that? Dude, they should announce another farming game.
True.
That would be sick. What the fuck? What if they announced another farming game? Has anyone tried doing that? We should make a farming game.
Yeah. This is true.
So what I need to do is I need to loop over all of the tooltips. Well, no, that's correct. Or tooltips dot tips. Fuck it, dude. That reads correctly, I think. Oh, I already have that exported. Oopsies. Set box scene. Hmm.
Hello, Master Liberty.
Was there a Liberty in chat? Hello,
There
Liberty.
is.
How you doing? Oh, this isn't. Can I just call like a duplicate here and then like just like remove it from the fucking array afterwards? Okay. And then I would like to do a clear tooltips void. Let's see if this. Hmm. You guys can't say Half-Life 3 every single time they say
Half-Life
here's something
3.
unexpected. It's not unexpected if it's
Wait, is this
Half-Life 3
Half-Life
because
3?
everyone's hoping for it. How do I want to do this? So I want this, whenever it calls clear tooltips, I want it to wait for a certain amount of time before they disappear. And
Wait.
yeah, I want it to wait. Wait.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait. Wait.
I like whenever it like starts fucking like shooting at you. It's a fun time. I want it to have a certain amount of time that it should wait, and then if there's ever a time that it sets a new tooltip, it should just cancel that wait and say you are no longer doing that. Should clear is false and clear time. It's like that. So for this, does it make current tips? Oh my god, there's no way his name is Kirky. Charlie Kirky. Exporting source engine stuff to Unity and it is as cursed as ever. The physics just can't handle it without the weirdest hacks. Yeah, pretty much. Charlie Kirky. Let's see. So this should be doing it, and then I can do. We have a process in here. We do. Clear time. Is equal to hard. Clear time. 0 delta. It should clear. And then if clear time is less than or equal to We will. Ew, exclusively to Nintendo Switch 2. Disgusting. Fuck.
Is this... Wait, is it Half-Life 3? Is Half-Life 3 exclusive?
Yeah. Yeah, Valve actually just said they're shutting down Steam and they're making Half-Life 3 a Switch exclusive.
Wait, that's kind of tough.
Yeah, everyone has to buy a Switch 2 now.
Kind of fire.
Yeah. Big fan of that.
Whoa, a split screen game in the Big 25.
That's actually kind of fire. We need more split
Actually
screen
looks kind
games.
of cool.
It's like It Takes Two, but anime.
Yeah.
It
It
Takes
looks
Two is
nice.
actually like kind of a fire game.
That's
Oh,
kinda
shit.
neat. Wait, Half-Life 3?
Fucking people who just crashed.
Oh,
No?
okay. Okay, I thought it was Half-Life
What?
3.
Oh no, you're like
No, okay.
stupid and dumb, I think. Yeah.
Oh, Biddy, another bug I found when I was playing the other day, because I was playing Dante 9 because I was bored, was if you use the
Mhm.
slot
That's good.
machine right before you end the room, like if you use the slot machine and then instantly kill an enemy, it'll draw the card because there's a delay.
Let me do something really quickly.
Mhm.
Let me finish this little piece of code and then I got something real cool to.
Which, that probably wouldn't
Show
be hard
you.
to fix. You'd probably, I assume there's a signal somewhere for like when the room ends or when it clears all your abilities and stuff. So you could just connect that up to the slot machine when it activates and then double check to make sure the room hasn't been ended.
Give me a second. So I actually wrote that down in my notes. Let's see. Yeah, I literally wrote in the before playtest things, test slot machine when switching / ending rooms, and I just never got around to it because I was like, I feel like this could cause a bug.
It didn't break anything, it just...
Yeah, it just gives you an
It
extra
just gives you
card.
an extra
What
card
happens
that
if you go to the next? I guess
It just
when
worries.
you go
It
to the
just
next room,
it just
immediately
gives you a
gets rid
card
of
in
it.
your hand. I mean, it's like
Oh.
when you add a card from the debug menu.
Yeah, which
Just
means you
adds
could
to your
technically
hand.
equip it and then throw it out as you walk into the next room.
That is true. Maybe we just keep that. Like, it doesn't break anything.
It's called card smuggling.
Like, I mean, that actually
it's called now.
isn't a bad idea. Like, I don't see a problem with it.
I wonder what would delay Valve ran into for them to push back their plans by this much. Wonder if they had a Half-Life Alyx moment where the story sucked and they threw it out. Yeah, it's actually really sad. I mean, it's not sad about the Half-Life Alyx thing where they just had to be like, sorry, this fucking sucks. We have to make the story better. But I'm glad that they made it because Half-Life Alyx was fucking so good. Dude, Half-Life Alyx is one of the only games that I like. When I finished that game, I didn't even take my headset off. I just sat on the ground for like 15 minutes and I was just like there in silence as I like unpacked everything in my brain.
I should.
Also, hello
That
and
sounds
not no
like-
mix. How you doing? What'd you say, JW?
I said I should try Half-Life Alyx at some point.
Do you have a VR
No.
headset?
I don't.
You stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that someday I should play it. I'm not saying I have the means to play it.
I see.
See?
This is true. Half-Life Alyx is
Makes
actually like
sense.
still the best VR game by like a lot,
Yeah.
and it's like not even remotely close to anything else.
Mhm.
Shit, dude. Yo, guess whose code works?
Mine. My code works very
It's definitely
well.
not mine, as seen by the test tooltip in the top left of the screen that is not going away.
Yeah.
On a fire.
Tough.
Is it? I think it's because of this thing. I'm killing this thing. I think it's you. You're not supposed to be there. Dude, I wish. Dude, JW. What if they announced Caves of Cud 2 at the Game Awards?
That's not happening.
Dude, what if they were like, and here's this game very few of you heard about. No, it's not a spreadsheet. It's Caves of Cud 2. And then like they just show like the greatest game of all time on screen.
Alright, bro.
Fuck, dude, I want to play Caves of Cud for the first time again. That game is so good. Or I want to have mods that like completely change it. So for these tooltips,
I wonder if they'll have a Hightail announcement at the Game Awards.
no.
Oh. Okay.
Oh wait, this definitely works ish. Do these have a tooltip UI? Which one's in tooltip boxes? Which is parent? I guess this doesn't need to be a tooltip box. This could just be like another control, right? Yeah. And then
Yeah.
tooltip dot
Win.
parent is equal to element. Where Oh, Blizzard Entertainment presents something.
Oh, okay, I don't care.
Yeah. Dude, it might be cool if it was like yeah, we actually had this game locked away in the fridge for like 20 years.
We haven't touched it.
Made by it was right behind the breast milk. Eventually we stole all of it, and so it finally showed up. We realized it was there. God, imagine if old Blizzard was still a thing. God, that'd be so cool.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Whoa, look, another cinematic trailer that looks like every other cinematic trailer.
Yes, sir.
Imagine if they put this much effort into like making a good game.
They used to, actually, believe it or not.
Wait, really?
They just don't anymore. There was a time that they made trailers that were that good and games that backed it up. Unfortunately, now they only do one of those things.
Unfortunate.
Yeah. Ew. Who the fuck is screaming in the background? They said, guess who else is here? Now's an update for Marvel Rivals. And then someone in the background just fucking went like, woo! No, dude. Gross. Alright, what does this do?
I don't know.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Elements not declared in the scope. You're so fucking right, dude. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is there people that actually just sit in Twitch chats and spam emotes all day and don't do anything else?
Yeah. Like,
Crazy.
quite a few people, I think. As you can see by the chat in fucking Game Awards.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Why is this not... than I have. Know what the fuck is going on with this.
Nope.
This. It's not that. Shit. Oh no, it is that. Ah, fuck. What the fuck is this, man? Oh shit, wait. Okay, does this work if I have multiple tooltips now? Cards, display. No. Okay. Tooltip. Set tooltip. Where the fuck are you? Card option. No. It's in inventory. Hello, Moaz.
Hello, Moaz. Geez.
Just in time for you to see me
Moaz, you wanna
fuck up code.
hop on Rocket League?
What a weird question to ask anyone ever. Dude, that's so funny. I'm watching Germa and Stir watch this, and anytime Clear Obscure shows up, Stir just goes, "Oh, sorry guys, everyone else lost." He's very upset at Expedition 33 fans. Why do I only have one tooltip? Why are they not showing up? Console.print. Yeah, you should be doing things. Add tooltip. And otherwise that. Right. Sorry, I don't know what the fuck I just wrote today. Oh shit. Oh, hi, Callie. Hi, come on. Nice to meet you, girl. Can you sit down? Sit down. Someone in chat said I'm tired of seeing all these French people.
So true.
It's kind of fire, though. What the fuck? Hi, sweet cat. Sit down. Oh, I'm not setting last tooltip to any. Yeah. That's what the problem is. This shouldn't need to be. Yeah. There we go. Oui. True. Oh, I need to actually assign out the e.title. Tooltip dot title dot description is equal to Game Awards. We're here from Warframe. I'm so sorry, man, but that's like probably the worst way you could introduce yourself ever. What is a rival? You need to turn up the audio on the
What
Game
is
Awards
it?
stream if you can.
Wait, did they just say what is a rival?
Almost. If you haven't seen the old man talking yet, if you're not watching the old man in the Warframe cutscene,
Okay.
Echo an ancient purpose.
He
Lost to him.
literally is what is a rival.
he really did. He almost did. He said a Warframe, but he goes, "What is a Warframe?" And I was like, dude, ain't no way we're doing a Rivals and Warframe crossover event, right? That'd be so bad, actually. That'd be so fucking bad. Oh, what description? Why are you not doing this, you bastard? Wait. JW.
Hmm. Wait, that's tough.
Wait.
It doesn't fade out when you unhover.
Yeah, it doesn't fade out. I didn't do the fading part yet. Don't worry.
That's very good though.
But-
That's weird.
But the fact that it does this is good. It doesn't flip the side yet, but we're getting there. This like actually works relatively well too. I'm actually like happy with this interface for the most part. Let's see. And then I need to do. You guys think I could do a layup with my cat? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
JW, are you even there?
Yeah, barely. Sorry.
Why the fuck are these? Oh, this is not a parallel tween. I see. I understand. Although I think I would rather these kind of fold inward. Maybe. Hi, Callie. Hi, baby. Hi. I fucking love this creature so much. You have no idea. Thank you, Star. Very cool. He said they got the toe things down.
It's a new Elden Ring.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Tough.
They really do be Final Fantasy 7 this bitch. Oh, dude, the best sports racing game? That sounds so cool. Mario Kart World is not a sport racing game. It's a party game, dog.
Party game.
Let's see.
Fortnite.
Fortnite. Oh my god, he said AR game. I thought he said AI game. I was gonna lose my fucking
game,
mind.
Tough.
What do you mean tough?
Sorry.
Fan voted award. As Claire Obscure again. Yay.
Whoa,
I
good
wonder.
test.
Ew.
Hmm.
Wasn't even Claire Obscure, but it was like somehow worse.
What was it? What was it? I missed
Wuthering
it.
Waves.
Oh, wonderful.
Let's see. What am I doing? Depth, max depth. Okay, if D is greater than max depth. Wait, what? I'm not. Oh no, it's index is what I'm calling it. Oopsies. Good night. See you next stream. Good night. Good night. Yeah, sorry. Slow stream. I'm just doing a little bit of UI work, which is
I'm just
a lot
doing
of me
little
being
bit of
quiet and trying to think of how this fucking
scrolling
thing
Instagram.
works. Ain't no way you're scrolling Instagram while I'm
No, I'm not.
just over your code.
Why would I do
Dude,
that?
his ass is fried.
Kind of. But I should just
Yeah,
go to bed
it
because I
happens.
have PT in the morning.
Bro has physical therapy.
Yeah.
Let me get this working and then I'll call it a night.
Okay, twin.
I'm sure I won't be working on this for long. Surely if I hit F5 right now, it'll just work, right? It'd be sick if it did actually, though. Uh-oh, that isn't working. Something wrong. Oh. Tween started with no tweeners? What are you talking about? What? Am I like stupid or something? Huh? Oh, I guess these are fun always, right?
I wonder what game's gonna win this time.
I don't know. I don't.
Whoa, it's the French again. Yippee.
Yay, I love French.
Who could have guessed?
They're just walking up there like, we don't know what else to say. We've already spoken we came up here with 8 cards and we've won 12 awards now.
Baguette.
We've been ad-libbing for the last 3
They
acceptances.
should just eat
Sorry
a baguette
guys,
on
goodbye.
stage instead of like giving a speech. I think that would be
you know what,
pretty
you might
tough.
be right. Hold on. That would be cooler than hearing a French accent. I do agree. Is this tweening correctly? Am I like stupid or something? I'm like losing it over here, I think. Am I stupid or dumb? Okay, this might actually be sick, JW.
Oh.
If this works, this might like actually be fucking sick, by the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a few tooltips. So this is gonna be like vertical, we're gonna call this vertical 1, vertical 2, vertical 3, and vertical 4. And then off of this one, I'm gonna also stack a tooltip off of it called like, let's see. Actually, I haven't tested multiple ones, so we'll see how this works. This might work, this might fail. I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't think it will. Oh well. Oh, I know what's happening. Hold on.
Was this Half-Life 3?
Yeah, that's Half-Life 3. That's it. That's the one. Why is this not? I might be like stupid.
Remember when Balatro was about to win Game of the Year, then they like rigged the vote?
Yeah, and then like the Sony game won.
Yeah. The Sony Awards.
The Sony Awards. Evanescence? What? That's kind of sick though. What the fuck? GW.
Hmm? Whoa, that's really sick. Yeah, it looks great. Oh, that's cool how it like fades out like that.
Yeah, it's like I built it in such a way that if I can get back to the file where I literally just was. Okay, we're gonna go back through to the Control P menu because that's more reliable. Like or actually, I could just do this. What's that equals? So now the second column also has its own set of tooltips, so we can like stack them and like build off of them as much as we want. Let me set this to like. There we go. So now you can see that we can have like up to a grid of tooltips if we wanted to.
That's very cool.
Or if we just wanted, because I'm assuming what you were talking about is you wanted it so that we could have one main tooltip here and then a bunch of them off to the side.
Mm-hmm.
So we can also have that by only having the one up top. Or we could turn it into a dick and balls if we wanted to.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
But what happens if you had like a
these can
bunch
also
of
be
them?
different.
Do they like wrap at all or not?
Sorry, what's up?
If you like add a bunch of them, do they just like go off screen if you had like a ton?
Right now they go off screen. Yeah, I haven't
Okay.
done screen wrapping yet, but I'm gonna re-implement screen wrapping in general. The idea is that once like right here it wouldn't wrap, but right here it would. Or it would at least attempt to. I don't know what the fuck it would do. Because I don't think it could flip to the other side and. We'll have to see. But yeah, no, it will wrap. It just isn't right now.
It's a little silly.
And by wrap, I mean it's gonna go to like this side over here instead. because like these we'll see that they can fit over here instead of on the right side. But yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna leave it for the night.
Yeah, me too, twin.
All right. Thank you guys for hanging out. We will be making a little bit of an update to the playtest, hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow, which will include some of the new mechanics and some of the new mana changes to make it a little bit more enjoyable. And then we will catch you guys back on Sunday.
Yes.
Goodbye bye.
Good night, everyone.